Good everyone. Yeah, we are going to be discussing on exponential equation, and we are going to be looking at the example on the board, which is solve the equation 4 raised power x plus 1 minus 9 raised power 9 in bracket 2 raised power x is equal to minus 2. First thing to do is that let's take the index of 4 first. So when taking the index of 4, which is 2 raised power 2 in brackets x plus 1 minus 9 raised power 2 raised power x is equal to minus 2. So first thing to do is that let's open the bracket here. 2 raised power 2x plus 2 minus 9 in bracket 2 raised power x is equal to minus 2. So first thing is that this plus will change to multiplication, which is 2 raised power 2x dot, because dot simply means multiplication. So which is 2 raised power 2 minus 9 in bracket 2 raised power x is equal to minus 2. So first thing to do is that let's rearrange it. How can we arrange it? Is that by applying this method, which is 2 raised power x in bracket raised power 2. Now this is the same thing as this. Why? Because x times 2 will give us 2x. So that's why we just like rearranging it. Then dot 2 raised power 2 will give us 4 minus 9 in bracket 2 raised power x is equal to minus 2. So first thing to do is that let 2 raised power x be equal to p. That means anywhere we see 2 raised power x, we are going to put p, which is p squared dot 4 minus 9 in brackets p, because 2 raised power x is p, is equal to minus 2. Now let's p squared times 4, because this one is same as saying multiplication. That's 4p squared. So 4p squared minus 9p, 9 times p will give us 9p. Then it's equal to minus 2. So then let's bring this minus 2 to the other side. It's going to be 4p squared minus 9p is equal, that is plus 2 is equal to what? 0. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use quadratic equation, which is factorization, to solve it. 4 times 2 here will give us 8p squared. That is 4p squared times 2 will give us 8p squared. And it's positive because of you are having plus here. So first of all, products first. We are going to look at the numbers. When you multiply them together, there's two numbers. When you multiply them together, it must be plus 8. And when you add those two numbers together, it must give you minus 9p. So what we are going to do here is that since we are looking at the product, 4 and 2, if you use 4 and 2, although it can give us 8 plus 8, but 4 plus 2 can't give us 9, so we can't use it. So let's use 8 and 1. That's 8p times 6 is plus that you're having here, plus 8p times p, because this is having invisible plus, don't forget. So when you multiply them together here, you're going to have it to be 8p squared, because 8p times p will give us plus 8p squared. So let's look at the sum together. How to get the sum? Erase these times and put plus there. So when you put plus, we are going to just cut it. Now let's look at this. If you want to get, since you're having minus 9p here and you're having plus 8p squared, the sign will change, which is we are looking at 8, as 8 times 1 will give us 8, then 8 plus 1 will give us 9. So let's apply the sign, which is minus 8p times minus p. Why are you using minus 9p? That means we have eventually gotten the factors that we are going to use to solve the equation. So definitely we are going to have 4p squared minus 9p plus 2. So that means anywhere we see minus 9p, you put minus 8p minus p, which is the sum. That is 4p squared minus 8p minus p plus 2 is equal to 0. So definitely let's group them. By grouping them, what is common here is 4. So that's 4p in brackets. What are you having left here is p. minus what are you having left, which is 8p divided by 4p will give us 2, will give us 2, not 2p. So minus, you're having minus here, 1 in bracket p, minus times plus will give us here minus. Then this 2 that you are having is now equals to 0. So definitely you are going to have 4p minus 1 is equals to 0, or p minus 2 is equals to 0. So we are going to have it to be 4p is equals to 1, since this one is going to the right side, which is 0 plus 1 give us 1. So that means p is equals to 1 over 4, or this is going to the right side, is going to be p is equals to plus 2. That is 0 plus 2. So that is plus 2. So definitely, to conclude it, we are going to have, since you have represent p as 2 raised power x, that means anywhere we see p, we put 1 over 4 first. So that's 2 raised power x is equals to 1 over 4. So to solve it, it's now going to be 2 raised power x is equals to, let's solve this, which is 4 raised power minus 1 first. So which is 2 raised power x is equals to 2 raised power 2 times minus 1. So which is 2 raised power x is equals to 2 raised power 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. So definitely x is equals to minus 2. That's for when p is equals to 1 over 4. So when p is equals to plus 2, so we are going to have it to be 2 raised power x is equals to that's 2. So definitely anything raised power, you are going to be having this raised power 1. So it's not going to be 2 raised power x equals to 2 raised power 1. So which is, the base are the same thing. When the base are the same thing, we are going to equate the powers. So which is x is equals to 1. So that is our answer. So definitely you are going to have x is equals to what do you get for x here? As minus 2 or plus 1. So that's our answer. Thank you for watching.